So, sir, how was your experience at our practice?
My experience is very nice, and I want to share my thoughts on this. So, when I first met with Dr. Rudra, so what I found is a humble guy, young guy, and for me, it was difficult for me to think that is he a doctor. Then I found him a very charming, and some positive vibes I received from him. So I decided that I'll visit him once. So he gave me an appointment. I brought my daughter here, and he not like other doctors. He took his time to set up his clinic is very cozy. First of all, I want to share this also. Then he took his time to make patient comfortable. And the next scenario was he was talking to my daughter about her tastes, about her liking, disliking, and the second scene was the choice of music of my daughter was playing around. I felt very happy, and I observed that my daughter is feeling very comfortable. So then he started, very gradually he started his processes. He told us, he proactively told me before starting his process, he told me that there are some problems, and what are these problems, and how these can be handled, and he doesn't scare me on that. That part is very nice. And during his whole process of filling cavity and all these things, what I find in him is some philosophy also, which I started feeling very amusing sort of. And my daughter was school. She was getting that treatment without any scare, and we were just talking about the philosophies and the fear of the patients and the support, his extended support. And doctor was telling me that he is available on phone at any point of time, and I found that this doctor is something different, and he is doing for the charity, not charity, but for the public also. He is very innovative, so he made a YouTube channel, and he is recording like how to brush, how to take care of your teeth, and how to take care of your gums, and what are other things which should be taken care of. And he is distributing it, he's every known person, just free of cost. So it means that he believes in knowledge sharing, and it is very less found in people nowadays. He doesn't scare us. He also, very interestingly, for few things, that what I felt is he does not promote cosmetic or beautification of teeth. He believes in the natural existence of your assets like teeth, and this is a very nice thing that otherwise other doctors can tell you that go for a bleaching thing, go for this thing, go for that thing, but he is not like this. He is very friendly. Treatment of 1 hour, he took 2.5 hours. And mainly the part of his work was setting his clinic absolutely comfortable, make his patient purely comfortable, and the all surroundings, he has made the atmosphere. So I like that. We very less find such people, so I will wish him a good luck, and I am sure that he will succeed in his life, and most of the young generation will follow him. This is my thinking. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. Really appreciate it. Have a good day.